will change and could change, so we're going to be watching that. But it does look like we have the chance for significant ice accumulations. Most of it's going to be coming on Thursday. We'll have a little bit as we get on really early Thursday morning, but it really starts to hit as we head on through the day on Thursday, and then tapers off Thursday night and early Friday. And then on top of it, again, it looks like we've got the threat for some plowable snow again in town. I'm kind of trending towards that 2 to 5 inch, but there are some spots that could get 3 to 6. Now, we're talking about some heavy snow as you move up into northwestern Ohio. They look like they're all snow for this event. And if you are kind of just southeast of the city, the broom, maybe the blower will do with that, dusting to a coating out in the far southeast. They're going to get a little more rain out in the southeast, but one of the things we're going to be dealing with here in town is the fact that regardless of how much snow we get, we're going to, looks like, have a little freezing rain under that. That's always an issue. You can have an inch of snow, and if you have ice under that, it is bad. So we're going to have to watch out for that. And also, too, it's going to rain a whole lot, so we're not going to be able to get out there and pre-treat. Well, not me, but the ODOT, they won't be able to get out there and pre-treat the roads because if they throw all that brine on the road, the rain's going to wash it off. So it's going to be one of those things. Thursday's looking like it's going to be a bit of a mess out there, so just keep that in mind. Stay off the roads if you can. Snow, ice impacts look like they'll be high. Medium with the cold air, very high impacts on travel. Here's kind of what we're looking at with this. You can see as we get on into the day tomorrow, we start to track some steady to heavy rain. Here we have lunchtime, tracking that heavy rain. Getting on into the afternoon, some steady to heavy rain. Notice up in northeast Ohio, though, they're dealing with snow the whole time. Now, or northwest Ohio. Now we get on towards 7 p.m. We're still looking at rain here. A couple of spots in the far northwest starting to pick up some of that steadier snow. This then transitions over to a little bit of sleet and kind of picks up as we head through the morning with some freezing rain, some ice pellets. Notice Columbus kind of right on that line, and that's what's making this a tricky forecast, because if this thing were to push to the east by 20 miles, we'd be talking about snow. Pushes to the west by 20 miles, we'd be talking about more ice. So we're kind of right on that line, which seems like we always are. I think that Mother Nature likes to keep the Columbus meteorologists on their toes. But yeah, you can see we're going to continue to see that into the day, and that'll lead to some icing. So we're going to deal with some, basically a bit of a mess. If you can, again, stay off the roads on Thursday, I would. And not